this is why I love like a Sunday so much. Because I've got this beautiful angel right here who just lays so nonchalantly in his bed. And then Daddy comes over. And we're going to take the phone and we're going to bring it over here. And this is what we do. This is a Sunday night for us. And if this is... People say we've got... Like we live no life. If this isn't the best fucking life in the world, I don't know what else is. My two best guys. A roof over my head. Food in my tummy. What do you, Mom, say food in the tummy? And he wants to get on his back. Bless you. Told you. What are you doing, silly Willie? Ah, oh, this is Mama's baby. Bless you. Then with his little legs cracks me up. All I see is balls. You better give Daddy one kiss. Oh, he's gonna sneeze. He's gonna sneeze. Oh, he's looking for something. Oh, you want to know what? I took his bone. Here it is, buddy. Daddy's got your bone. Daddy's got it. Bless you. Daddy's got your bone. Let me see him. Oh, did you get it? Love you, buddy.